Here we go. I'm going to use only the tools provided. Let's get this thing fixed. Guess that's not the right one. We're using the 1.5 by 400. Yep, that one locks right into that screw. I'm going to put these screws off to the side a little bit. I'm going to reuse the original screws because there's nothing wrong with them. Don't look like they have any color to them of Loctite or anything. That white is where it was into the plastic. If I seen like a blue, purple, or red on there, it would be Loctite, so they wouldn't come out. Okay, there's 4 screws. Thinking this back should pry off. It's still trying to pair up with something. There we go. Put that little pry tool right in there, popped it right apart. I'm gonna do that clear across here. Okay, I got a little bit interrupted there, but we'll get this done. There we go. Now it's popping right apart. Some ribbon cables there. I don't think I really need to pop them ribbon cables off. I'm just going to leave them on, connecting to the other side. And get below this battery. I'm not going to unplug the battery, but I'll tell you guys, or let you guys see that and zoom up in case you want to replace the battery. There's the numbers on it. There you go. Looks like it's got a little sensor right there. Okay, so then there is this that has to pop off. I don't know when I use that screwdriver. Them are white. Okay, that white or that board is coming right out. I'm sure yours could be a different color if it was. There we go. I'm just going to keep everything kind of pried up a little bit out of my way. This doesn't want to leave because it's got the trigger and everything. Oh, because this ribbon cable is going down, but I think I can get it all done with all these ribbon cables connected. I don't see why I'd have to do more work. So far I've been using the exact same screwdriver through the whole process. Looks like there's the 2 screws, there's the ribbon cable. Don't push too hard on it or it'll break that plastic that holds this in. There, it popped out. The little black thing here, you gotta flip that up and then pull this right out. If you've ever worked on computers before, here's where you need them tweezers. Pull that right out. There you go. A bad ribbon cable. Or bad ribbon cable. A bad Joy-Con. Which this one didn't even feel bad. Made a click sound every now and then, but make sure you put that to the side so you do not put it back in.